If you are a beginner YouTuber looking for a fast and easy way to edit videos, then you are going to love Descript and you will love this short training. Descript is an online video editor. You can also download it to your computer. The first thing you're going to do when you log in is you are going to click on New Project on the right-hand side right over here. When you do so, you're going to have the opportunity to actually upload your first video. And so when you upload a video, this is the screen that you will see right here. Now, Descript is unique because it's going to automatically transcribe all the written words in your video, and it's going to place it over here, which allows you to really quickly edit your video. As an example, if you wanted to get rid of a particular sentence like this one, I can just highlight it and click delete, and that clip is now automatically in 5 seconds deleted from the video, which is awesome. Now, let me show you in 20 seconds here the actual AI editor. It is called Underlord. It's in the top right-hand corner. So when you click on Underlord, this tool by itself, this AI by itself, is going to cut your editing time down significantly. So the first thing you want to do is click on Sound Studio, and you want to go ahead and let the AI actually modify the audio quality of the video you just recorded. So it's doing that right now. Now, while it does that, I'm going to go click back into Underlord, and I'm going to click on Remove Filler Words. Look at all the filler words that I used while recording this sample video. There's a total of 27 filler words, and we can see them here all on the right-hand side. I use like a lot, ums a lot, wells a lot, you knows a lot, ums, these, fives. I want to get rid of all of those. So right here, I'm just going to click one more time, remove all, and automatically Descript has now removed all of those filler words from my actual video, which again, immediately increases the professionalism of your video, which is awesome. And that probably as a new YouTuber, you make a lot of ums and ahs and things of the sort. We're back under Underlord, which is our AI video editor. We've removed filler words. We've improved the sound quality. Now what we want to do is shorten word gaps. So I'm going to click on shorten word gaps, and it says no results, which is a good thing. If you pause for an extended period of time while you are speaking or are reiterating points, you want to remove those actual word gaps, and that's kind of the silence part of your video. If you're terrible at making eye contact, click on eye contact here. And literally what Descript will do is it will scan your video, it will identify your face with AI technology, and it will go ahead and correct what your eyes are doing while you record to make sure it seemingly looks like you are always looking at the camera, which is just wild. Back under Underlord, our video AI editor, we've helped with eye contact. There's a ton of other features that you can do here. Again, you can create instant reels and clips and YouTube shorts from this right here. You can create highlight reels. You can even translate your entire video into a different language with the click of a button right here. But here are some of my other favorite tools of Descript as a smaller beginner YouTuber. Down here is YouTube Description. So when you are done editing your video, click on YouTube Description and click on Submit. The AI is going to go ahead and actually write with timestamps your YouTube description. So now you don't even have to spend as much time post-production writing a YouTube description. You're just going to click this copy to clipboard and paste that into your YouTube description area. And now you have an amazing description written for you by Underlord, which is the AI video editor. Now we're going to come back to the main Underlord screen. I'm going to show you another awesome feature here, which is draft a social post, but you can also draft a blog post. But I'm going to click on draft a social post and click submit. Very quickly, the AI is going to write for us 3 different lead generating pieces of content that you can share on Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn that will get people commenting on your post to get a copy of your newest free YouTube video, all done for you. Takes a matter of seconds. Now I'm going to go ahead and close Underlord, and I'm going to share with you guys one last feature that will dramatically improve your video quality. And again, there's so many cool features here inside of Descript. I'm showing you the ones that I think move the needle the most, that are super easy to do in a matter of a few clicks. But I'm going to click on Show Timeline in the bottom left. Now we actually have a timeline of our entire video, and this is more of a traditional editing type of timeline. But what I'm going to do is go to the start of my video, because one of the things that will dramatically improve your watch time and the quality of your video is adding in B-roll footage. So here's what I'm going to do. At the start of your video, if I would like to add in an overlay of B-roll footage, I'm going to click this More tab in the bottom right, and I'm going to click on Stock. It stands for stock footage. And I'm going to click on Video, Show All. And now I'm going to say something like, I want YouTube stock footage. So I'm going to type in YouTube right here. Here's some great stock footage of somebody scrolling YouTube or somebody scrolling YouTube on their phone. I might decide, because in my video I'm talking about YouTube, I'm going to go ahead and pull this clip into the timeline and drop it off right there. And what's going to happen is Descript's going to import that B-roll footage, and here it is. So if I were to actually play my video now, at about the 3-second marker, all of a sudden on the screen is going to be the actual B-roll footage. Let's go ahead and take a peek at that. In today's video, we are going to be breaking down how to generate leads for your coaching business. Right now, we are open. And very quickly, I can just go ahead, and if I want to shorten this actual B-roll footage, I can move that down. So now it's just a few seconds. But this will dramatically improve the quality of your videos. Again, let's do this. Woman running on beach. Maybe you're talking about you do travel videos or something of the sorts. We can find a couple ladies running on the beach here. And if you're talking about that, I can drag this clip in to the exact point in time in your video based on the timeline here that you mentioned jogging on the beach as one of your favorite recreational activities. And Descript's going to go ahead and add this B-roll footage in. Maybe I decide I want to shorten it a little bit. But now when you mention jogging on the beach, if I were to hover over this, it's going to actually show these ladies running on the beach. That's one of the best ways to increase retention on your videos. B-roll footage will keep your audience engaged. All of your metrics will go up on YouTube. Those are just a few of the features using Descript. Go ahead and check those out. And in a future video, we'll share with you guys other cool things you can do on Descript.